is James. I live in Vancouver and I'm a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm from Edmonton. I'm a welder and a successful online entrepreneur.
My name is Russ. I live in Massachusetts and I am a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi, my name is Gigi. I live in Vancouver and I'm a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi guys, my name is Laura. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I live in the USA.
Hi, my name is Julie. I am from St. Albert. I'm a healthcare aide and a successful online entrepreneur.
My name is Michelle. I'm from Ontario and I run a successful global online business.
Hi, I'm Mary Chris from Vancouver and I'm a successful entrepreneur.
Hi, my name is Heidi. I am from the state of Maine and I am a successful online entrepreneur.
Hey, my name is Rowan. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a mentor and a successful digital business owner.
This is Michelle, a nursing assistant and an online entrepreneur from Winnipeg, Canada.
Hi, I'm Priscilla. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, and I'm a bank teller.
Hi, I'm Minda from Calgary, a daycare provider and a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi, my name is Winnie. I live in Alberta. I'm a mom of two and I'm an online entrepreneur.
Hi guys, my name is Ferdinand. I'm from Winnipeg and a successful entrepreneur.
Hi, my name is Cecile. I live in Alberta and I am a successful online entrepreneur.
Hello, I'm Rigolario. I live in Vancouver and I'm a successful entrepreneur.
Hi there, my name is Hilary Ayaba. I live in Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada.
Hi everyone, I'm Glenda. I work part-time and I am originally from the Philippines.
Hi guys, I'm Stephanie from Brampton, Ontario, and I own a successful online business.
Hello everyone, my name is Mike Marcelo and I'm an online business owner.
Hi, my name is Chantel. I'm from Sherwood Park, Alberta, and I'm a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi, my name is Bhavani. I live in Toronto, Ontario. I'm a full-time accountant.
Hi everyone, my name is Jinky. I'm a stay-at-home mom and now I'm a successful entrepreneur.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and I'm a stay-at-home mom and a successful business owner and mentor.
My name is Emily. I live in Kitchener and I am a successful online entrepreneur.
Hi, my name's Susie. I work in the mental health field and I'm a successful digital business owner.
My name is Stels. I own an online business and I'm loving it.
Hi guys, it's Cherry here. I'm from Port Coquitlam, British Columbia and I am a successful online business owner.